In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams 2024 on your laptop or PC. Whether you're setting up for work, school, or staying connected with friends and family, having Microsoft Teams installed and ready to go can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive in and get everything set up. First, we need to head over to the official Microsoft Teams website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Microsoft Teams download, or simply type in the URL directly if you have it. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams homepage, you'll see a variety of options and features listed that allow you to explore what Teams can offer. However, for today, we're just focusing on the installation. You'll notice a button labeled Download Now prominently displayed on the site. Go ahead and click on that button. This will navigate you to a section of the site dedicated to downloads for different devices. Since we are focusing on a Windows installation, you'll want to locate and select the option that says Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. By clicking this, you initiate the download process for the Teams installer on your computer. Once the installer file is downloaded, it's time to install Microsoft Teams. You'll find the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder, unless you specified a different location. Double-click the installer to run it. If your system prompts a Windows security dialog asking for permission, be sure to verify that it is indeed the correct installer, and then click Yes to proceed. This security step is to ensure you're intentionally installing the software. Afterward, the installation should start automatically. Now, it's simply a matter of waiting a few minutes as the program installs on your computer. It might be an excellent time to grab a coffee or stretch your legs while you wait for the installation to complete. When the installation finishes, Microsoft Teams should ideally launch on its own. However, if this doesn't happen, don't worry. You can manually open it by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, typing in Teams, and then hitting Enter. And that's it. You now have Microsoft Teams 2024 installed on your laptop or PC and are ready to begin using it for all your communication needs. You might want to explore the interface and adjust your settings to tailor the experience to your personal or professional needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you get started with Microsoft Teams. If you found this video useful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tech tips.